it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new here. I've been getting so many requests to vlog, so I'm going to vlog my day today. I have so many people asking me to do daily vlogs, but that's just too much. I can't vlog daily. I'm going to try and vlog once a week if I'm able to, but I just can't vlog daily. That's too much. My mom and I are about to head outside to muck the pastures. I need to clean out my truck, like wash the mats and stuff. You know what? I don't even think I've done a video since I've gotten my truck. I don't think I have. But if you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, then you know that last month I turned 16 and my parents surprised me with a truck, and I was not expecting it at all. I was so surprised. My best friend got it on video, so I'll insert the video of me opening the keys.
And someone who you buy soda from.
Alright, that's from me and your dad.
Cafe.
That's the
I
little
don't think
gift.
so.
Or a phone booth.
A phone booth is where you make calls.
What does this mean?
I've seen Doctor Who.
It means.
That's your new ride.
Oh, wow.
Remember that story I told you about the Matchbox car?
Is this a joke?
Do you know what they go
It's
to?
an old key.
The truck sitting out there in the yard.
Oh, now we did it. You finally did it.
It's a Chevy.
It's a
Square body.
On it.
A square body.
Travis, don't cry. I said, Hannah's gonna cry. He said, me too.
You can ride with me. I'm so excited, and I was so surprised. I'm really excited about it. It needs a new transmission. Only the first gear works. I almost have enough money saved to get a new transmission, so I'm really excited about that. But later I want to try and like clean the mats and stuff like that. I can use the truck around our property, you know, like in first gear, but I can't, you know, drive anywhere. I got some feed the other day and it was raining when we got home, so I just threw the feed in my truck. So I have to bring that over to the barn and put it in the feed cans. Shiloh, come here. Hi, Mama. Alright, we already have our buggy hooked up. It's our muck mobile here. Got our pitchforks. I need to get my towel that I sit on. I sit back here and the manure goes in there. I need the towel. Oh, you know what? Mama washed it. I gotta go get it. Okay, got my towel. This is where I sit when Mama drives. And I just hop out and get the pops. I gotta get my water. Put it back here. I think the four-wheeler needs gas. I'm not sure. Gotta check it. Yeah, we need gas. Let me get the gas. Okay, we have no gas. We're going to get gas in a minute, but I think we have enough to do a little bit of mucking. I don't know. I guess we'll see if we do or not. There's a couple piles right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that. Okay, I think we're gonna go and get gas first before we muck. So we're gonna go do that. Excuse me. Oh, shoot. Okay, I need 2 hands to do this. Oh my god. What is wrong with me today? Alright, now we have the gas. Now we're in business. Amarillo, are you gonna help me lock? What are you doing? Huh? Yeah, we can take the trash out. No, I don't see any right now. Okay. Oh my gosh, my lens is fogging up in here. Okay, so we are done mucking. We finished mucking a few hours ago. Oh my gosh, my lens is fogging because it's really humid in my truck. I don't have air. And the windows don't work. The motors, we need new motors in the windows. Hold on, let me get this smudge. If I can. Let me see. I don't know if I can do it. Oh. There we go. We're currently moving the horse trailer by the barn because we are going to put the feed in the horse trailer. I don't really use the horse trailer. We don't really haul the horses anywhere. It's pretty much just for emergencies. So we're gonna use the horse trailer for my feed and the tack that I use all the time because we worry about the rattlesnakes in our barn. So I'm just going to put the feed and the tack that I use a lot in the horse trailer and just use it for a feed room and pack room. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm just back into the horse trailer. It's really hot in here. So yeah. The thing's fogging again. Or is it just not focused? I'm gonna clean like my mats and stuff after that. Oh my gosh, it's really hot in here. I'm sorry if I look nasty. We've been like working outside and stuff. And and it's like 90 something degrees. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I have some feed in my truck that I mentioned earlier. So I'm gonna go ahead and move that to the barn. We already keep the hay in the horse trailer, but we're gonna put the feed in there and stuff. So that is what we are doing right now. I got the beet pulp. I'm bringing it to the barn. Okay, so here's the barn. That's where the feed cans were before. We have them all right here right now. And we're putting the horse trailer over here. Just pull up. Where am I pulling up to?
Just up there in front of the Suburban.
Okay. Is that good? Yeah. I'll put it in drive. Oh my gosh, that's my truck. I'm so excited. Dang, that looks good. That's so pretty.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, so it is now the next day. I was not able to continue vlogging yesterday because we were busy almost until dark fixing the horse trailer. We got all of the feed and the saddles that we use a lot in the horse trailer. I'll be showing y'all that very shortly. Good morning. Morning. I woke up 4 hours ago. You woke up 4 hours ago. Right now I'm about to go and clean out my truck because I was not able to do that yesterday. So I'm going to clean my mats and probably vacuum it out and get like all the stuff out of it that's in there. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. Okay, oh wait, let me turn off my music because I'll get copyrighted.
About a mile just south of the gate.
Okay, I'll get copyrighted if it plays like a bunch of it. Turn off. This is where we put the horse trailer. It will focus. I don't have to worry about the snakes as much. This is what it looks like. Oh, there's a woodpecker up there. You can't see it. This is what it looks like. We have all the feed right here. There's the hay behind there. And then more feed, and then we have the saddles that we use all the time right there. Okay, I cleaned the mats. They're over there drying. And I got the shop vac. I'm going to vacuum it out. I'm going to put all the stuff that's in there in this box. And then I'm going to vacuum. Does the change come with it?
Yeah, sure. Like there's a bunch of change.
There's like 20 pennies in it. So it's a little bit later now. It's like 7:30, something like that. I just ate dinner and my mom and I mucked a few hours ago. We mucked the pastures. I got my truck vacuumed out and I rinsed off the mats. So it's looking a lot better. I still have to like clean the door and stuff, but my dad polished the hood. It looks really good. The back seat is down right now. But I vacuumed all back here. I still have to clean that seat. And I have to like clean like in the window and stuff. But I vacuumed and I cleaned the mat. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting the horses' feed ready. I'm gonna get their beet pulp soaking. That should do. The beet pulp is soaking right there. I'm going to feed the ducks. Their layer, I think this is the layer. No, that ain't it. This one. Hold on. Gonna go ahead and feed the hens food. There's oyster shell, I don't remember. There we go. Alright, I'm getting the hens feed. There's oyster shell on the bottom, and then I'm putting layer crumble in with that. Oh, and then the ducks. A scoop of layer. Come on. Come on. Hi, bud. What are you doing? Hi. I gotta feed these chickens. I know you're hungry. I'm coming. Come on. Let's go. fluffy blue jeans. Good girl. Alright, I just gave the horses their hay. Lady's standing downhill. Levi's over there. I gotta fill up the hens' water bucket. Hey, that ain't for you. Get. Alright, Lady and Levi are eating their dinner. I'm about to head back to the house. Hey y'all, I just wanted to come on here and quickly end this vlog. I thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!